Many new clients tell me that when they were arrested, the police officer failed to read them their legal rights, also known as Miranda warnings, including the right to remain silent and the right to have legal counsel. Most people don't realize police officers only have to read you those rights after you've been arrested and if they continue to interrogate you after that arrest. Police officers are trained to ask as many possible questions before they arrest you, thereby not having to read you those rights and at any time remind you that you don't have to speak with them. In that way, they can use any information they obtain from you against you in court. Be aware, the vast majority of criminal convictions in court are the result of the accused giving their own statements to the police, not from DNA evidence, not from eyewitness testimony, or some other smoking gun. In thousands of cases, in my many, many years of practicing law, I have never once seen a statement that a police officer took from the accused that was used in their favor. It just doesn't pay to try and talk your way out of an arrest. You're much better off in almost every circumstance asserting your constitutional right to remain silent and later speaking with an attorney to decide what, if any, information you should share with the police. As a result, we advise all our clients to assert their Fifth Amendment right to remain silent when they're being investigated by a police officer. Until you have an attorney present, it's not advisable to answer questions to a police officer who's investigating you for the possibility of criminal activity. There's just too many ways that your own statements can be construed against you. Your own statements will inevitably be twisted and manipulated by the police and the prosecutors in the courtroom. The Fifth and the Sixth Amendments to the United States Constitution guarantee you the right to remain silent and the right to have an attorney, a lawyer who is trained to answer your difficult legal questions for you. Your right to remain silent applies whether you're in your car, walking down the street, whether you're under arrest or not, and even in your own home, anywhere you encounter the police on American soil. You can call us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, toll-free at 1-800-NO-JAIL-9. That's 1-800-665-2459.